Is it real to earn money even if you have unprofitable deals? Yes, it's all about Martingale strategy. My name is Camila, so let's start. You know, I'm usually telling you about important indicators and also how to work with technical analysis, and in the last videos I showed you the lowering strategy, and also today I'm gonna show you the Martingale strategy and how to work with that correctly. So we're gonna start as usual with choosing assets with the biggest payouts. It's very important to have 92% here because you have to be careful with that. You can lose money because you didn't saw that the percent get lower. So we use the candles for 30 seconds as usual, and today we're gonna use the oscillator and average true range, and also we're gonna start our trading history for today with $500. Okay guys, so let's find the asset that we're gonna start our trading in. So this is not have to be very successful deal because I want to show you what Martingale strategy is. And Martingale strategy is about doubling the amount of money that you going to put on a trade. For example, if you have for $500 unprofitable deals, the next deal you putting $1,000 to earn this non-profitable deal and have more profit. So here, for example, let's put for the higher, I don't know, I'm just putting the trade on the random to show you how to work with, and even the random trade is going to be the profitable one probably, but I hope no, because I want to show you the mechanism of working with Martingale strategy. And let's wait a little bit and we're gonna see the result of this trade. I hope it will be unprofitable one because I want to show you the strategy of Martingale strategy, of the mechanism of working with that, but it still want to be a little profitable one. But yes, we have unprofitable deal. It's not scary. It was my idea to make the first deal unprofitable one to show you how to work. So what the mechanic is, we had the deal non-profitable one for $500, and now we're gonna double this up. So we're gonna put $1,000 to close up the part of non-profitable deal and also have the profit. So now we have to be very focused and very critical for the market and the asset where we're gonna put the trade in, because if you're not very focused, if you're not analyzing everything, you can lose 2 times, and I think that is scary moment. Let's find the asset where the price is stable, so it's not going upside down. For example, here that is not very stable market. For example, here we can see the picture of the market growing or falling. Here is a little stable one and we can work with that, but I think I will look to 1 or 3 more assets to understand the tendency. For example, this one I like. What we have here, we have the buyers on the oscillator, we can see it. Also average true range, we have this little tail that going upside out, and also we have the curve systems that showing us that we already have the downside part of the curve and now we're gonna head to the upside. You can see that we already heading the profitable part of deal, and I'm gonna repeat one more time that is very important to analyze everything, to have the technical analysis and the right indicators, right asset when you're doubling up, because you can lose 2-3 times more, and that can go to the nervous disease, you know, to the headaches, to feeling badly, and I don't want that for you. Let's see, we having the profit that easily, that very understanding with all the technical analysis, and guys, yes, we having the profit, but I was very confident in that because I chose the asset, I looked at all the situation and I had the technical analysis. Yes, sometimes I'm doing it by the seconds because I already have a lot of experience and I'm looking to the picture of the market and I understand what's happening. Now when we got our $500 back, we can go to lower amount, for example $400, and let's find the nice situation to put our money in. We have to find the market where the price is pretty stably working in the areas. So I like this situation because we can see clearly that we're working with the curves. Also we can see oscillators that is showing us that we have buyers, and also we have this flexible tail on the average true range that's showing us that it's pretty comfortable to work with this asset right now. And also you can see from here that we had the curves for a long time and they worked pretty stably. And now we had the downwards area of working of the candle, so we didn't go here, so we had this zone of support right here also, so we heading upside right now. So let's wait a little. Yes, we're working with the curves. Price can go downside and upside a little bit, but it's not critical for us because our points it's lower of all the candles working area right now. And guys, we having the profitable deal. I think that is very nicely. And let's continue. For example, now we can put for $500, for example, that we already have a great profit right now for the moment, and probably we can still work with this asset, for example. So let's find out. We can see that we have not this little candle of red showing us that we probably losing the buyers at the moment, and average true range have this curve that is very unpredictable but still can go upwards or downwards, and now it's going upward. But also today we're going to tell you about the martingale strategy that is very important to work when you have non-profitable deals. And today for us, non-profitable deals is not a scary thing. Today it's experiment to show you the mechanics of the strategy, and I think even if it's this deal it's gonna be unprofitable, it's gonna be okay. So let's wait just few seconds till the candle close up, and oh my god, okay, we're having non-profitable deal right here, but I think that is not scary. Again, we're using the martingale strategy and we're gonna double up and earn that money. So as you know, non-profitable deals today are not scary for us, so let's continue doubling up. We have $1,000. We're working with a strategy and let's find the best situation on the money so earn our money back. So let's find it and let's work with that. We have this going downwards candle, but I think that is not very stable because on average true range we see this tendency to grow back. Also we have only one little red moment on the oscillator, and probably this price gonna grow up because we have this tendency to growing up in the curves, and I think this one gonna grow up too. So let's think and let's see. This is very important when you're working with a strategy to be really focused, to have the indicators that giving you understandable information, also to know how to work with the technical analysis and how to manage your emotions, I think, because when you have this not very stable market situation, you can be frustrated a little bit for the seconds, but still you will have the profit if you're doing everything right. For example, now we're having the profitable deal even that you saw that the candle was moody. So let's continue and let's make, for example, $300. We already got our $500 back, and let's make the $300 for the final deal, and let's make it profitable, why not? So we heading to the upwards in this asset, but I think that we're gonna go downwards because that is not the area of the price working. We have these little curves, not even curves, I can say it's steps on the market that we can see, and these steps is not really working for the upward situation. And also you have to remember that it's very important to have these profitable deals in common, because if you will be okay, I will put one on randomized to be non-profitable, then I'm gonna do one doubling up profitable, then I'm gonna do one more randomized non-profitable, the luck gonna go out, because the trading is not about luck or intervals, it's about technical analysis, it's about your knowledge and experience. So guys, we're having the profitable deal as I told you, and I think that is wonderful. And we earned today near the $1,000 and a half, more than $1,000 and a half, and I think that is amazing and wonderful that Martingale strategy gives us this opportunity to earn money even if we had non-profitable deal and we're still going in the big profits. So it was Camila with you. Don't forget to follow my Telegram channel where I give you free signals and you can trade with me online. Also, don't forget to subscribe and put the notifications on so you won't miss my interesting and I hope useful for your videos.